Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Craig Jabbar. We're going to be marbling a long strip of fabric used for sashing and binding. We've used a basic tray which is used from guttering with the end pieces to keep it from leaking, and I've drilled a hole in with a patch duct tape so that we can punch that later on and the water will run straight out. Okay, so that's a very simple way of doing it. We're going to use some violet. The dominant color apparently is violet. This is going to be a quilt we're designing with these beautiful colors, which I'll be doing on Create & Craft TV on Thursday this week. And you can see I'll be doing the same shape, but I'll be printing onto leather for leather belts. So here we have a nice perfect structure, just circles in themselves. We're going to use the light blue, which is an iridescent blue which will glitter. I'm going to use that one straight in the center, one drop at a time. That's all you need. These paints are very powerful and they keep in their circles because of surface tensions. So we're going to go all the way to the end, and we've got maybe 2 more drops this side. If the paints sink, don't worry about it. That happens to me sometimes, so it's not a train smash. What other color are we going to use?
Metallic fuchsia.
Metallic fuchsia, which is this one or this one?
That one.
Ah, beautiful. So we're going to pop in some metallic fuchsia, which is a beauty. 1 drop at a time in each little circle. It's very simple to do. We're doing this outside because it's quite a long tray and it's a lot more easy on the light, although it's a cloudy day today, unfortunately. Back to the violets for contrast. So you can see the glitter being pushed, compressed by the violet itself. The violet, the metallic fuchsia, and the metallic ice blue is going to be a 3-color code we're using on TV. We're selling that as well. So if you want to purchase that on Create & Craft TV, or if you want to purchase it through our website, it's entirely up to you. Again with the blue, so the blue is just going to be again creating its iridescent glitter, which we're going to use against the violet, which is the previous color. And you can see the difference between the opaque colors and the iridescent and metallic colors. So we're going to do another violet, and the stronger the colors, the better the print's going to be, especially for the material we're going to print, which is going to be a superb work of art. We could do flowers all the way down, which is going to be a lovely pattern, or we can do something more traditional. That is entirely up to you what you would like to do. All these designs are taught online for free at www.marblingforfun.net. You just click on videos, you can watch as many as you like. So we're going to use a cocktail stick, and we're going to do florals.
Up to you, my sweet.
We can do hearts. Now hearts are one of the easiest patterns to do. All we're going to do is simply drag a line right the way through the pattern. We're going to start this side so you can see the hearts developing. And there we go. Hearts all the way down. Right, and go. So the application is just bowing the fabric onto the water and then running it, allowing it to run all the way to the edges or by itself. And there we have a beautiful strip of fabric that's been marbled with the hearts going right through the middle, or just about. And as soon as we take it off, we'll take it off like that. All you need to do is rinse this plastic so you can see what you can see the whole pattern. And there we have a beautiful work of art. So this is the strip all the way through, which is pretty awesome. Every heart is unique right through till the end. Thank you for watching. So here we are, finished our marbling session. All we're going to do is we're going to punch through the hole, which I have put duct tape on one side and underneath duct tape on the other side, and simply going to push a hole through into a funnel and back into your drum. I'm just going to use a basic pencil, and there's your hole. And there she goes.